Namaste. I, JVN Sheetal Singh, Assistant Professor at Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur, in Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science. So, we have started our third unit, and this is the completion and the final topic of third unit, pharmacology. That is, drug use in the glaucoma. So, let's start. First, what is glaucoma? So, let's I will give you just a gist what is glaucoma so that you will know what is that. Glaucoma is a group of eye condition that damage the optic nerve, the health of which is vital for the good vision. This damage is often caused by an abnormally high pressure in your eye. Glaucoma is one of the leading cause of blindness for the pupil over the ages of 60. So now let's see about that. The word glaucoma is a Greek word which means the clouded or blue-green hue. Glaucoma blindness coming from the advancing year, second leading cause of blindness. Glaucoma is a group of disorder characterized by a progressive optic neuropathic result in a characteristic appearance of optic disc and specific pattern of irreversible vision field defect that are associated frequently but not unavailable with the IOP or greater than 21 mmHg. All type of glaucoma, progressive optic neuropathy due to the death of retina ganglion cell (RGCs). Now, the aqueous humor dynamics. The aqueous is the continuous procedures or the product by the ciliary bodies, which is 2 to 3 mu L per minute. The aqueous flow from the posterior chamber through the pupil into the anterior chamber. Aqueous filter largely through the trabecular meshwork 90% and canal of schema episcleral venous plexus and into the systemic circulation. Aqueous also exists to a smaller extent through the ocular venous system, 10%, which is outflow ciliary body, choroid, and scler vessels. Now the type of glaucoma. Congenital glaucoma, primary glaucoma. Then primary glaucoma is again open angle and close angle. Then the secondary glaucoma. Then lens included traumatic or steroid induced. Then absolute glaucoma. Now the therapeutic goal. Lower IOT by reduction of aqueous humor secretion and promoting the aqueous drainage. Lowering of IOT retard the progression of optic nerve damage even in the normal oblique flow IOT. Now the site of action of ocular hypotensive drugs. Open angle, wide angle, chronic simple glaucoma, genetically predisposed degenerative disease affecting the patency of the trabecular meshwork. Meshwork become less efficient at draining. IOP builds up progressively. Damage of the optic nerve has no symptoms in its early stage after middle age. Ocular hypotensive drugs reduce the formation of AH, increase drainage or the protect optic nerve. Open angle glaucoma. Then the available drugs are beta adrenergic blocker like timolol, beta oxazole and levobutanol. Then the alpha adrenergic agonist is dipivirfin and apraclonidine and brimonidine. Then PG analog latanoprost and travoprost and bemoprost. Now the carbolic anhydrase inhibitor acetazolamide and dorazolamide. Meiotic is melocarpine and phytostigmine. Location of target of drugs, that is alpha 1 receptor, ciliary bodies vessels and ciliated body epithelium. Now the beta adrenergic blocker in the glaucoma and its MOA, mode of action. Tropical beta adrenergic blocker have been first line of the drug. PGF2A alpha are the preferred now. Contrast to meiotics, no effect on the pupil size, tone on the ciliary muscles, and outflow the facility. Lower the IOP by reducing the aqueous formation, down regulation of an acetyl cyclase due to beta 2 receptor blockade in the ciliary epithelial, and the reduction of blood flow. Advantage over the meiotic produce less ocular side effect and lipophilic and weak anesthetic, corneal hyposthesia and damage. Now, the beta adrenergic blockers are ocular side effect, mild and infrequent, stinging, redness, dryness, coronal hypothesia, blurred vision. Now, the systemic adverse effects are major limited for use. That is nasolacriminal duct, life-threatening bronchospasm, COPD and asthma, bradycardia, heart block and CHF, ARDs, and the inner canthus pressure 5 minutes. Now the individual drug beta blocker. Timolol 0.25 0.25 to 0.5% eye drop. Non-selective beta 1 to beta 1 plus beta 2, no LA or symptomatic action, decrease in IOD by 20 to 30%, 1 hour to 12 hours, smooth and well sustained action after chronic dosing. High level of clinical safety advantage, 30% patient response. Beta oxazole is 0.5%, selective beta 1 blocker, less bronchopulmonary, probably less cardiac central, and the metabolic effect exert the protective effect on the renal neurons, less efficacious in decrease in IOT than the timolol beta 2. Levobutanol once daily dosing alter to timolol, ocular and systemic side effects similar to the timolol. Alpha adrenergic and agonist is MOA. Alpha 1 constrict ciliary, MBs reduce the aqueous resecretion. Alpha 2 in the ciliary epithelium reduce the aqueous secretion. Secondary role enhance drainage of the aqueous mainly through the outflow and also trabecular outflow. Then next drug is Dapivirine is 0.1%, adrenaline, ocular, smarting, reactive hyperemia, producing product of adrenaline, decrease in IOT by increase in UV sclerosis outflow. Then the trabecular outflow beta 2 is decrease, then decrease in aqueous production alpha 1 plus alpha 2. Not used now due to systemic effect and ocular intolerance, may be used as a add-on therapy. Next is apraclonidine, which is 0.5 to 1%. Clonidine cogenerar no CNS penetration, act on both alpha 1 and alpha 2 receptor of ciliary body, decrease in aqueous production, decrease in IOT by 25%, ADRs itching, lid dermatitis, follicular conjunctivitis, madresses, retraction, dryness of mouth and nose. Use is restricted to short-term control of IoT spark. Now, monidine, it is 0.2% fewer clonidine congeners, more selective to alpha 2, more lipophilic than the clonidine, decrease in IoT by 20 to 27% by decrease in aqueous production and increase in UV vascular flow. Use both in short-term post-surgery and long-term therapy in glaucoma, add-on therapy. Now the prostaglandin analog. Lower concentration of the PGF2 alpha prolog decrease in IoT by increase the UV scleral flow, increase the ciliary tissue permeability and vascular permeation. Turbicular outflow less marked and downregulation of ciliary body COX-2 in wide angle glaucoma. Role of PG in the aqueous humor dynamic. Latent latanoprost, which is 0.005% eye drop, tropically IoT, decrease in 25 to 35%, well sustained. Decrease in IoT in the normal pressure glaucoma, also ocular irritation and pain. Good efficacy, once daily applicable and absence of systemic complication. First choice in the open angle glaucoma. Other ADRs, blurring of vision in iris pigmentation, thickening and darkening of eyelashes. Now, travoprost and mevaprost, similar efficacy with the lanternoprost. Next is the carbonic anhydrase inhibitor. Carbonic anhydrase inhibitor present within the ciliary epithelial cell, generated HCO3 ion secreted into the aqueous humor. Inhibition of carbonic anhydrase limited the generation of bicarbonate ion, reduction of aqueous humorous, acetazolamide, orally 0.25 gram to 6 to 12 hours, used to supplement ocular hypotensive drug for short-term indication like angle closure before and after surgery and laser therapy. Long-term use when IOP not controlled by topical drug. Side effect, systemic and paresthesia, hypokalemia, acidosis, malaria, depression. Now, next is myotics. In 1970, where the standard anti-glaucoma drugs last option because of several drawbacks is myopia or heart attack. Now, the pilocarpine cause the meiosis by contraction of iris sphincter muscles, then remove the pupillary block and reverse the obliteration of iridocorneal angle. Then the contraction of the ciliary muscles pull on the scleral screw and improve the turbicular potency. Max of 10 to 20% IOP production is 0.5 to 4% solution. Now, the OAG current approach, monopathy and latanoprostol or a topical beta blocker. If not target attained, change to alternative drug or both together. Now, dapivirine used when above indicated two contraindicated are uh, acetazolamides and meotic is last option. Angle closure, narrow angle acute congestive and glaucoma. Emergency situations, of course, in the person with narrow iridocorneal angle, and shallow anterior chamber. IOT rise after it is being appreciated by mydriasis. IOT rise rapidly to over the high level 40 to 60 mmHg, marketed congestion of the eye and the severe headache. So, so the thing you must know is different category of the drug used in open eye angle glaucoma, their site and the mechanism of angle and management of closed angle glaucoma. So these are some important points. Hope you understand this. For any query, you can comment below. Thank you and namaste.